Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny, again, and today it is Earth Day, and I was so excited to share amazing recipes with you because there are a few that I looked up. None of them are my recipes, but that I actually use with grapefruit. So I actually filmed an intro, the whole recipe process, and then me being a newbie to filming and editing, I deleted all my intro stuff. So making a second intro, I almost didn't put up this video, but I think these are really amazing tricks and tips. And also I wanted to celebrate Zero Waste and Earth Day with you guys. So thank you for supporting me, even though I'm not the greatest, best editor in the world. I really believe that things that I do matter, and I want to just share with you guys 3 things I am actually sharing. One of them is actually really tasty marmalade that you could throw it in a seltzer or in a hot water for a grapefruit tea. There's also 2 more recipes. One is for the hair, and then there's one for your body. So if you're really interested to know, keep watching. And I will definitely put up original recipes, the documentaries I watch, and things that I actually research for on your behalf. But I thought I should tag them because they're phenomenal. So thanks for coming and keep on watching. Okay, so New York summer is right around the corner, and because it's getting warmer, I crave very citrusy stuff during summer. And this is like the perfect drink for me as a seltzer, like a seltzer sweetener kind of thing, because I don't really drink soda, so this is really amazing. Also, you could use it, I also use it in nighttime as an evening tea, and just add hot water. It's so easy. And I just love the taste of it in both ways. It tastes a little herbally as a tea, and it's like sweet soda as seltzer, but either way, they taste phenomenal, and I love it so much. Now, I'm just gonna be rough with these because you're gonna ferment it for 2 days, so you don't have to be perfecting these. I just don't like I don't know what these are called, but like the skins of it too much in it. They just bother me. So I like to just like get rid of it as much as possible, but you don't have to. You could also put the peel in, but I wanted to use peel for something else, so we're gonna save the peels on the side. Okay, so this is kind of like what you want to get, right? Nothing too crazy. It's just peeled grapefruit inside. And all you're gonna do is add whole lot. I know it looks crazy, but you're just gonna add. Okay, actually, I'm gonna peel more because I want to do whole fruit in one jar. So we're gonna peel more. So these are super fun to do. I don't know, I've been just looking for activities to do at home. I'm currently quarantining because someone was positive at a fitness center I went to, and I had to quarantine for 5 days, and yeah, I'm getting a lot done in the 5 days that I've been quarantining. I'm a homebody, but when you tell me that I have to stay home, I just have a hard time staying home, and I hate listening to someone, you know? Oh, these look so delicious though. I just want to eat them. For the sake of the video, I won't eat them. Try to get in much grapefruit as possible. I feel like this is bigger than the other grapefruit had. So you're just gonna swish, swish, swish. Mix the grapefruit in. You should be using spoon, and doing this with knife is very dangerous, but I'm just lazy. You're just gonna put a lid like this. Ta-da! Look how pretty it is. So pretty, right? And this is the first product done. You need to leave it in a room temperature for 2 days, okay? Clean it up a little. Next, oh, I could have this as a snack. Snack time. Oh my god, so good. A lady at my church like years ago, I think this was like 3-4 years ago, she was like in her 70s. She had flawless skin. 70s though, right? Korean people generally have really good skin because a lot of Korean people are obsessive with their skin.
Hence why K-beauty, right? But this lady, she was like, she had phenomenal skin, like phenomenal. And I asked her one day, I was like, how do you have such great skin? And she, you know what she said to me? She eats 1 grapefruit a day. All that vitamin C and the antioxidant, yeah, it's working for her. This is a quarter of grapefruit today, so guess I have to have three quarters more. Shouldn't be eating and talking, right? Even on the days that I tell myself, oh, I don't have the time to eat healthy, I could literally just have this on hand, and I could use this as like some sort of fruit or something, vitamin C inside me every day. When I'm obsessive, this little jar lasts me 3 days. So after 2 days of fermentation, put it in the fridge. The original recipe actually uses cane sugar, so FYI. You have the peels left, right? Peels are left. So what you're gonna do now with the peels, 2 things you can do with the peel. So first is for the hair wash, hair rinse. Let's start with cutting up the peels. So just thinly slice them. You don't actually have to slice them, but for the sake of the little container, I'm gonna slice them. So in a jar, you're just gonna put them in. And we're gonna leave this on the side because I have special ingredient to show you. Ta-da! It's just rinsed rice water. Now, rice has a lot of properties that's good for you, but for your skin too. Water that you rinse rice with still has nutritious value of the rice when it leaves. So I don't think it's in every culture or everyone habit of washing rice, but it is very common, especially in Korean culture. We are taught to rinse rice because I think it was like back in the days there were a lot of like impurities in the rice, but I don't know if people still do it. After you wash your rice, you see a translucent kind of water, and I just like filter out the rice. So it's just rice water. The rice will be used for your food, so still no waste. And then this water is gonna be filled in this container, which is for your hair. It looks simple, right? And it is, but here's the thing. You have to ferment it for 7 days minimum, right? You should be fermenting it from 7 to 20 days. And when you do that, you kind of think, oh shoot, what if it stinks? Like what if the fruit rots? Okay, this is day 7 and it does not smell at all. Also, if you feel like it might be a bit much smell in any way, like you just can't handle the smell, what I like to use is lavender oil, a couple of drops. I think that's pretty good. And then close the lid. Ooh, it smells like lavender. Ooh, it smells like lavender in here. So you put it like this. Like this. That's so pretty. Okay, like this for 7 to 20 days. And then afterwards, you're gonna just open it, take out the peel, and then use that water to rinse your hair out after you do your shampoo. Watch the difference of your hair after that. It's amazing. I have promised 3 things. So this is the third one is actually, I can't really make it here because you need to do an overnight, but this fresh peels, you don't have to cut them. I personally don't cut them, whether I eat them or whether I use it for the marmalade or the sweetener. I actually leave it and dry it out, or I throw it in a dehydrator. I use my air fryer for dehydrator, and what becomes is like this. It's so pretty, and not only that, it still has the vitamin C. The peels still contain a lot of vitamin C, so it's really good for you and good for your skin. So in the bath water, you're gonna throw in some baking soda. Okay, I know it's just like weird, like you just washed your fruit peels with baking soda, and then now you're gonna wash my skin with baking soda. But the whole mentality of zero waste is that you use each ingredient for multiple function, and that is the best way to do it. I was a little suspicious of using baking soda on my skin. Oh my god, you guys. My skin is so soft. It's unbelievable. I don't think I've ever had this soft skin before. So warm bath, just baking soda, and you soak. Okay, I also throw in like a little lavender oil. You soak. But you also throw these in. It's pretty, right? Because if I don't put bubble, I feel like something's missing, because like there's no pretty element, and I feel like these make it prettier. And just the water feels nice, and because it's dehydrated, it still smells like grapefruit. So your bath water smells like grapefruit. It is unbelievable experience, like unbelievable. And I love it so much. And this is how I live my best sustainable zero waste life. Okay, I'm in a mess now. Have to clean up. Well, which one do you want to try? Or are you going to try all of them? I hope you do. This is kind of surprising. The hair rinse, I was kind of skeptical because I was like, oh my gosh, what if it's like rotten fruit? It does not rot. I have left it for more than 10 days before and it still was okay. So, and afterwards, my hair did not smell. It was just so soft. And I felt like my hair was restored. Like, like the split ends, it's like really dehydrated. That was completely soft. I felt like my scalp was so much nicer. I felt like everything just worked out better. So yeah, and this is why I wanted to share this with you, so you could just know that and learn that you could use even one ingredient, super simple, and still make a better place. Okay, well, thanks for coming to hang out with me today, making this world a better place with zero waste lifestyle. I hope you have a lovely day, and I hope that I encourage you to do something a little better for the environment. Well, that's it for me today. So if you really liked this video, thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. And please tell me what else you guys do for sustainability in the comments below. All right, then talk to you soon. Bye.